In order to check app screen time on CMF Phone 2 Pro, you have two main ways to do so. First of all, we're gonna open settings, and the first method is to go to apps. Over here you can open the list of all apps, select the app for which you want to check the screen time. So let's say I'm gonna choose the Chrome browser. There we go. And then over here you should be able to find the screen time option that allows you to see how much time you have spent in the app in selected days over here. You can also of course swipe to previous weeks as well. You can also switch from daily to hourly. And the second method is pretty similar, but instead of going to apps, we need to go to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. And over here we can tap on this information in order to go to the details. And over here we have the summary of pretty much all apps. So all apps are listed over here. They are sorted by the amount of time that you have spent in them. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.